Hi, my name is Dena Levy. I'm from Teaneck, New Jersey. We just finished a fabulous week in Chamonix, France. Every day, at the end of the day, I said this was the best day ever, and then I couldn't imagine the next day being better. Every activity was thought out, well planned. The food was amazing. They really catered to, I have some eating issues, so they catered to everything we wanted. It was, at night we sang, we danced, we had bonfires, we had jacuzzis. The group really meshed together so well. We were mostly from Israel and the United States, old, young, able to hike for hours a day, able, like me, not to hike for hours a day. The landscape was unbelievable. I'd never heard of Chamonix, France before I booked this trip. I booked it because it was a good week during my year, and it looked like a beautiful countryside, and I was not disappointed. Josh is amazing. Yoni, our cook, was amazing. And a woman named Flo took care of everything. We wanted to go paragliding. It wasn't on the schedule. She made our reservations. She ran across the place to pay for it. She told us how to get there. It was probably one of the highlights of my life.